friends, welcome to Science with Ayazullah. And today I'm going to show you how to make a hologram. So let's start. So friends, for making a hologram we need a scissors, a transparent sheet like this, plastic, A4 sheet, a pencil, a scale, and sellotape. So friends, let's start. So friends, for making the hologram, you have to draw this shape onto a paper and cut it out onto a transparent sheet. The base should be 6 cm. The perpendicular line to the base should be 3.5 cm and the flat portion of the top should be 1 cm and it should be joined to each other in this way. You have to cut out 4 pieces onto the transparent sheet. I have cut it out and kept. See friends. Now let's see what to do next. So friends, after you have all your shapes, you have to stick your shapes in this way. Wait a minute. I will stick and show. You have to stick it using tape. See friends. Using tape, you have to stick it like this. Now, with the other 2 shapes also you have to do. So friends, now you have to stick these 2 in this way. You will have 2 shapes when you stick these. And now you have to stick these 2 like this. In this way. See friends. And now friends, after you stick those two pieces, you have to have a pentagon in the middle. See friends. And now you have to stick these two like this. You will have a pyramid shape. See friends. Now you have to stick this. So friends, now you will have a pyramid shape. See friends, that will be flat from top. See friends. Now is a very interesting part. You have to take your phone and open YouTube and type hologram video. You will get these all things. And now you have to choose any one video. See friends, this will come. Now you have to keep your hologram in the center. And play the video. This one will work in the dark. See friends, I placed a mobile under the hologram and the video is on and an image is formed on the hologram. See friends. This is looking like a real image. See friends.